So you're studying for the SAT Math Level 2 subject test. You've come to the right place. I'm Dan from WeWillTeachYouMath.com. Guys, when you're using these videos to study, make sure you pause the video at the beginning when the problem first comes on the screen and try it on your own. Most of your practice should be done this way, actively and independently. Then, if after you try the problem on your own, you still find it tricky, that's when you watch the video explanation. In fact, you can use any resources that you have available to you to try to figure it out so that the next time a similar problem comes your way, you'll be ready. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.
34. The fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 26, and the eighth term is 41. What's the first term? There's two kinds of sequences we deal with, arithmetic and geometric. Arithmetic being you're adding or subtracting the same thing to get from one term to the next. So that's what we would call a common difference. Then with geometric, you're multiplying or dividing by the same thing to get from one term to the next. We call that a common ratio. So this is arithmetic, so there's going to be a common difference to get from one term to the next. And we know two of the terms. We know A5 is the fifth term, is 26. And the eighth term, we'll call it A8, is 41. And we want to know the first term, A1. So the first thing we should ask ourselves is, what is the common difference? So let's just lay this out. If we got, let's say we're dealing with the first 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which ones do we know? We know 5 is 26 and 8 is 41. And the difference between all these has to be the same. So to get from the fifth term to the eighth term, you have to jump to the sixth and then the seventh and then the eighth. So that's 3 jumps. The total difference that you traverse in those 3 jumps is the difference between 41 and 26, which is 15. And since there's 3 jumps along the way, each one has to be the same because it's a common difference. That's what an arithmetic sequence is. So it must be plus 5. That's the common difference for this sequence. And you can fill in the blanks if you like. This would be 31, 36, 41, and you see that it works. And there's a formula for this, but frankly I think it's faster to just draw this out because we're not talking about finding the 117th term, right? We're just talking about working back from the fifth to the eighth and then back to the first term. So we can just subtract 5 and work our way backwards. 21, 16, 11, 6, and that's the first term. That's all there is to it. D is the best choice.
Hi, thanks for watching. If anything's still confusing or you need a little extra help, drop me an email, leave a comment, or give me a call. I answer every message. And if you want to check out more videos like this, visit WeWillTeachYouMath.com. See you in the next video.